Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving another simultaneous equation using substitution method. The book I am taking the questions from is Cambridge IGSCE and O-level additional maths course. Exercise 2.1, question number 14. So let's get started. Sorry. So question number 14, x plus y is equal to 4 and x square plus y square is equal to 10. So we're going to be making x a subject in this equation. X is equal to 4 minus y. 4 minus y whole square plus y square is equal to 10. So I just placed this into the place of x in the other equation. So we're going to open this bracket using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 16 minus 8y plus y square is equal to 10. So we're going to sum up these two and sum up these two. So it's positive here, so it's going, when it comes to this side of the equation, it will become negative. So 16 minus 10 is 6. So 2y square minus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0. 2 common, y square minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 is multiplying with the equation here, so it's going to divide with 0 and the answer will be 0. The equation we're going to be left with is y square minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. We're going to military break this, so y square minus 3y minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. When we sum up minus 3y and minus y, we get minus 4. Okay, and if we multiply them, we get the answer of plus 3, positive 3. So we're going to take y common, y minus 3, and here we're going to take minus 1 common, y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have two brackets, y minus 1 and y minus 3. So y minus 1 is equal to 0. We've separated the two brackets, and y is equal to 1. The original equation we had was what was it? It was x is equal to 4 minus y. Okay, x is equal to 4 minus y, x is equal to 4 minus 1, x is equal to 3. So 3 comma 1 is one part of the answer. Y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3 if we shift it to the other side of the equation. So x is equal to 4 minus 3, x is equal to 1. So the answer is 1 comma 3 for this equation. So there are two answers, 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to us, and we're very close to 100 subscribers, and I would really like to hit this milestone with you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video, inshallah.